is Andrew. Welcome back to a brand new exciting video. If you guys are new to my channel, you've never seen my videos before, the Ant Crew is a place for creative entrepreneurs, social innovators, aspiring YouTubers, aspiring editors, aspiring videographers, and just people like that. Anyways guys, if you're here only for my second transition sound effect pack tutorial, then just skip to the number that is displayed on the screen. Don't worry, I won't be offended, I'm just deeply wounded. No, but seriously, just go ahead and skip. I would hate to waste your time. Alright, so for everybody left who's probably just my mom, and if we're lucky, my dog, there's a couple other things on the agenda. In a recent video, I was complaining about how terrible the weather has been, but today something amazing happened. The sky cleared, the sun came out, and it's a beautiful day outside. So I knew I couldn't just do another tutorial today. I had to do a little bit of a vlog at least, and to head outside and have a flipping session, because who knows when it's gonna be this good of weather again anytime soon. Alright guys, so I came to this little park to do some flips. The reason I came here is because this place has sand and it dries up a lot quicker than the grass. The grass is still really wet from all this rain we've been having. So I'm gonna have a quick little flipping session, then we'll head back to the house and talk about these transition sound effects. Alright guys, so I'm back home now. That was really tiring. It was fun though to test out the 120 with flips. Anyways guys, I think I've messed around quite enough for this video, so let's hop on the computer and start talking about this transition sound effect pack number 2. Alright guys, so I'm on the computer now and let's start talking about my brand new transition sound effect pack. I got cat hair on my mouth. So there's a total of 13 sound effects included in the pack. 6 of them are specifically transition sound effects, and then the rest are sort of just like cinematic or environmental, just kind of sounds. For instance, there's a car honking sound, a camera flash sound, a bike sound, a clock ticking sounds. There's a whole bunch of cool stuff like that. And I do want to point out that the intro of this video was completely sound designed using only this transition sound effect pack. Everything you heard in that intro was from this new pack, and you guys have complete free access to. So now what I'm going to do is sort of take you guys through how I would go about using this transition sound effect pack. But keep in mind, this is just my personal preference. Everybody sort of designs differently, and this is just how I personally would go about adding sound effects to an intro. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do is open up my Premiere Pro, and while that's loading up, let's talk about how you actually download these sound effects. If you guys haven't downloaded one of my packs before, the way you go about doing it is head down to the description of this video and click the link. It's gonna bring you over to Google Drive, and you're just gonna download the sound effect pack there. It's really simple. It should be called Ant Crew Transition SFX 2 or something like that, and when you open it up, you should see all of these different sound effects. Alright, so now to illustrate these sound effects and how I would go about using them is I'm going to make a new project. I'm going to call it Intro SFX and hit OK. Now what I'm going to do is import one of my past intros from one of my older videos. So what I just did is imported the intro that I used for the beginning of my last video. I took out the audio track from this clip, and I'm just going to be adding some new sound effects. First thing I've got to do is import my sound effects. I'll just call this SFX. And now I'm just going to import this sound effects. I'm going to navigate to it, Ant Crew Transition SFX. I'll select all of those and hit open. So now we've got all these sound effects to choose from. The first thing I think I'm going to start off with is this clock ticking sound effect. So the first thing I want to do is I want to have 3 ticks of the clock, but then on the 3rd tick, that's when I'm going to introduce my footage. So I'm going to find where this clip starts, which is about there. I'm going to hit M on my keyboard to mark it. Then I'm going to listen for the 3rd tick right there. So I'm going to hit M on my keyboard, and I'm going to line those 2 markers up just like that. So now on the 3rd tick, it comes on. And then right when that clip hits, I'm going to add in this morning environment sound effect. We'll drag that on underneath. Okay, that sounds pretty good. I might adjust that later. And then right when this particle sound effect starts, I'm going to add this standard whoosh sound effect right there. And then I also think I'm going to try this. I think I'm going to add this whispers whoosh underneath it as well. Let's see what that sounds like. Yeah, I think that sounds pretty good. Then we can hit with the next clip, and instead of having this morning environment start on the first clip, I'm gonna drag it down and have it pick up on the second clip. Now, working with these environment sounds can be a little bit tricky, because if the sound effect sounds like it could be used for both clips, but you only use it for one, it can be a little bit jarring. So what you wanna do is kind of just fade on the morning sound effect. I'm gonna hit P on my keyboard to bring up my points. So I'm gonna make one point at the beginning, and then I'm gonna go a little bit farther in and make another point, and then I drag this down so it kind of fades on. Just like that. Yeah, that's good. That's much better. Okay, and then right there I'm gonna add another whoosh sound effect. We will do the standard whoosh. And then right here I have this little speed ramp, so I wanna make sure I add something for that. I'm gonna add this build up whoosh too. It's kind of a weird sound effect, but it's got the quirkiness that I think works with the speed ramp. So let's try that one. That's definitely pretty subjective, but I think that sounds pretty cool personally. And then right where we have this second speed ramp coming in, I'm gonna add another whoosh sound effect. I'm gonna add the first build-up whoosh. So now I'm gonna use one of my favorite sound effects, which is this honking whoosh sound effect. So I'm gonna play that through. And then I'm gonna add this car engine sound effect right before it, because I think it kind of helps build the environment. Then I'm going to add this build up whoosh 1 again right there. Alright, so that sounds pretty good. Here we have another little speed ramp like the clouds previously. So we're gonna add build up whoosh 2 once again. Right there we have a little flare, so I'm gonna add this camera flash sound effect. We'll see what that looks like. And then finally we'll add the build up whoosh number 1 once again. And there you go, guys, that's pretty much it. Personally, I really like the way this sounds, and I did this really quickly. This did not take me that long at all, and you can especially make this sound better if you download my other transition sound effect packs. So be sure to check those out, download those, and when you combine all of these packs, you get a ton of different sound effects, and really, there's transition sounds for any kind of effect. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know what you think about this down below. Hey, Saki, how's it going, buddy? All right, everybody, so I think that is going to be it for this video. If you guys have not joined the Ant Crew is a place for creative entrepreneurs, social innovators, aspiring YouTubers, aspiring photographers, aspiring filmmakers, and just people like that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys took something away from this video, and I'll see you guys on Monday. Peace.